Is this the MIB helicopter? Or am I paranoid as usual? Now, you see, this is primarily a channel for my drawings and designs and my perspective on life as to my creative process works, my analyzing process works, and just sharing what's on my mind. And so when I put up these videos, to me, just put them out because they just stand out. This stuff, when I put up the UFO videos, it's simply something that makes you think, you know what? If I don't record them and I share the stories, then people will think I'm losing my mind. And I could think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 real quickly. 10, 11, 12. 12 people that I've shared, that have made eyewitnesses of UFOs. And I'll just zoom back up straight to the sky. But, that's not the usual helicopter um, flying activity. And just, I think the more views that I get, the more videos that I post. I just want to note that helicopter. Because even when I just uploaded the other UFO video, that one was just circulating around my head right here as I'm playing fetch with the puppies here. And yeah, now it's gone. But and you've seen other videos of mine, and usually helicopters, unless they're pursuing the suspect, they usually just keep flying on their path. So I just wanted to document that. And yes, I'm still creating. And again, you can thank all the people that have destroyed my business account on Facebook as to why I don't share what projects I'm working on next. Finished some 2 cool projects, very nice. Even 2 new pieces. I like them a lot, and I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of my work, but usually this time with these 2 that I'm down, like thinking, fuck, it's pretty cool. But I'll let the market be the judge of that. But looking forward to moving on to some more pieces soon. And yeah, just still being creative. And free Johnny Depp. And Kevin Samuels. I'll make a video on him soon. We just need to set up for another drawing video. But that's a YouTuber that just passed away. I was listening to him for a few weeks before he passed, and oh, it just sucks that he's gone. Definitely a dude with a lot of insight. Alright, that's it for now. Helicopter's gone now that I've recorded. That's it.